Welcome. In front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. If you want to change the watch face on the watch, you need to wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button, and then you should see the current watch face, and you can press and hold on this watch face to open the watch face menu. Now you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. If you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have the settings button under them. You can tap on it, and here you can, for example, change the widgets or complications being displayed, like this. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to apply the changes. You can also change the watch face for the phone application if your watch is paired with the phone. So we can move this to the side, zoom out the camera, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the REALME Link application, tap on our Watch 5, wait until it's done connecting with our phone, let's try opening the face gallery. Okay, now it works. So open the face gallery. Here you can scroll through the list of faces, find the one you like, tap on it to select it, and it will be applied. You can also download some watch faces. So if you go through the store, you can scroll through the categories, find something you like, tap on the watch face, tap on sync to device, and it will basically download and apply on your watch. Like this. And of course, if you download the watch face, it will appear right here on the list of the watch faces locally installed on the watch. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch rather. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.